Hello everyone. What we have here today is an automobile part from Essex. It is a company from Detroit, Michigan. This part is vintage. It's been around quite some time, and it's in its original box, manufactured box, original boxing here. And the box is in pretty decent shape, actually. You know, got a little bit sitting around for a minute. Alright, so we open her up. Alright, so what you got here is you got a vacuum chamber. Alright, see there? Never been used. It's just been sitting on the shelf forever. So there you go. Alright. Thank you for stopping by, and you have a nice day.